Take a selfie with your favorite celebrities from Hollywood in a TV show or movie of your choice. It's going viral, and this is how you can do it. First thing you need to do is generate the images. You need to generate all of the images with the characters that you want. So all you need to do is provide the source image and this prompt and modify according to your needs. So in this case, all you need to do is just choose the character, in this case Angelina Jolie from Lara Croft Tomb Raider, plus the location of the set, and that's gonna give you the full image. Step number 2 is just doing the video. So you can use models like Kling 2.1 or Kling 01, and this will be super straightforward and easy. So all you need to do is upload an image from character 1 and then to the character 2. So the scene 2, this is gonna make the transition, and all you need to say is make smooth transition between scene image. I think that's it, and just press generate. Once you're finished with the generation, all it's gonna do is have your video ready for you. So when you press play, you're gonna see the transition. And that's it. That's all you need to create your viral videos. You're gonna use your video editor tool of choice, and you have a video ready to go viral. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.